Yo! Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jeronix TV. And before we start guys, I just wanna thank to all of you guys for always there to, to support my small channel and to your everyday requesting for your favorite music. Thank you so much guys. I hope you will continue to support my channel, and please guys help me to achieve this. We're running now 4K subscribers. All right, so thank you so much guys for always there guys. All right, so this is it. We're going to start now. And for today's video, I'm so excited again to react another Manipuri song, and it was requested by Bonita Oynam. Alright, so he or she wants me to react this music with the entitled of NUNGSHI MAITHONG, and this one is uploaded by Tantha. Yes, thank you so much guys for always there to allowing me to react your video or your music. So the singer here guys is Chitra, and the cast here is Sora and Meda, and it was produced by A.R. Inaw. So guys, before we start, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to click my notification bell for more latest update on my channel. So are you ready? Let's start now, and 3, 2, and 1, let's go! So let's start guys, here we go. H360 Features, Tantha, NUNGSHI MAITHONG. Yeah. Wow, look at behind them. Oh my goodness. Nice filming this one. Very cool. Wow. I like the voice. She my tongue. Oh, this lady, she's like a flower. She's so beautiful. Wait guys, did you like the videography of this I mean the music guys? Very high definition guys. Wow, very clear. I love it guys. You see the color of the tree guys. As you can see the color of the green leaves guys. Wow, oh my god, this is a perfect filming guys. I love it guys. So let's continue. Oh, a handsome guy like me. She's so cute. She's wearing I don't know what's it called that. I forgot again. Maybe she have a feeling in this guy. Wow, look at the grass guys. So very green. Wow, I like the video guys. inspired this guy. Oh. I like the girl here. She doing her part here, guys. She doing well here. Wow. Every time she, she express her face, she's so beautiful when you look this girl. And then her hair, that's so nice for her, guys. I love it, guys. So let's continue. Woo! Wow, look at that, another view. Where's this one? Where's this one, guys? Oh, that was nice. She's wearing a gown. Perfect. Oh, look at the position of lady there. What do you think, guys? That's so very nice filming here. I like the view, I like the singer here, the cast here. Wow, perfect. Wow, let's continue, guys. Look at the voice of oh, wow. Oh. I think she's imagining only. See? She's waiting, guy. Oh, look at that! He's coming now! Wow! Look at this part. The lady here wearing now their culture dress. I don't think so, but I think that was a cultural dress. You know, guys, every time that I saw a Manipuri lady and then they're wearing a cultural dress, wow, the beauty of the Manipuri, guys. You can see at her appearance, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's continue, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh! Again? That's all? Wow! Guys, oh my goodness, that was the NUNGSHI MAITHONG music video. So, how did it feel, guys? What do you think about this music? Did you like it or not? Yes, of course. I like it so much, guys. Because, first of all, I like it, the videography here. Very clear and very high definition. I like the voice of the singer. I like the cast here, the lady here, the guy who making this video. Wow, the artists, absolutely all for me are perfect. And I just want to congratulate you, all of the artists here and your team also. Congratulations, guys, for making this kind of music. And guys, I hope you enjoy and you you like it, this kind of music that I was reacting for today. And if you like it, guys, please don't forget to like and share to your families and friends, and please give this a lot of a thumbs up, guys. And for those new to my channel, again, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for having me here until the end of this music. So until the next reaction of video, guys, see you there, and I love you guys. God bless you. Bye.